right, y'all. Guess what? Guess what? I have a great comforting recipe. It is a great recipe, y'all. This is French Fry Cheeseburger Casserole. It is so good for this time of the year. So just when it's really cold outside and you want something really just something to warm you up, make you feel happy and just maybe even nostalgic. This is one of those. It is only 5 to 6 ingredients. I believe mine is a 6 ingredient recipe. Now that does not include seasonings. That is just the ingredients. So I'm going to go over those with you guys. They will be listed in this video as you watch through. Also, the recipe will be in the description box below. All right, y'all. I'm heating up our cast iron skillet, and we need to brown 2 pounds of ground beef. All right, y'all. Let's break this up some. Hopefully all the pieces, well, there's still some that is slightly frozen. So this is 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to do this recipe a little bit differently. Remember, this is my 6 ingredient French Fry Cheeseburger Casserole. And only 6 ingredients. Now, the dry seasonings that I use, it's not carved in stone that you have to use those, but they are really good in this. All right, normally I would drain my beef before I put my seasonings, but I want it to really get in there good. And I'm not taking a lot of the fat out since I'm going to need it. Because if I were to, a casserole can get really dry. So, our seasoning. The first seasoning we're going to do is Kinder's wood-fired garlic. You can get this on Amazon, or you can get it at Walmart. Walmart carries a lot of the Kinders. No, they don't carry all of them. You can find them at Kroger, but they're very popular. And the brand is my favorite. It's one of my favorites. I love Better Goods too. All right, next one is Kinder's Caramelized onion butter. And there's no real measurement. I'm doing it on how much I really like. But if I had to guess, I would say I'm doing half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of each of these. The next one is Kinder's smoked onion. Y'all see me use this an awful lot. It is one of my favorites. And the last one is Kinder's Butcher's Burger Blend. Okay, y'all, we have drained a lot of that fat out of there. We kept just a little bit. And we are preheating our oven to 350. Now, when we get everything together, this is going to bake for about 55 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes. All right. So our next ingredients, the first one is the Campbell's Golden Mushroom. And my little spaniel is right up under my feet. What is it, Niblet? And our next ingredient is our Campbell's Cheddar Cheese. I know that always looks kind of gross. All right, y'all, we're going to turn our heat down. Well, we're going to turn it off, actually. And what would a French Fry Cheeseburger Casserole be without pickle juice? Okay, so we have our pickle juice. This is Clausen's pickle juice. I love the smell of pickle juice. I'm going for about 1 cup. Okay, y'all, what we're going to do now is we're going to take our hamburger mixture and we're going to pour into our greased 9x13 baking dish here. My oven went off to let me know it's already preheated to 350. Just make sure you spread that evenly there. Now we're going to be layering our French fries on top of this, y'all. Well, I left out something important. We have our mozzarella cheese right here. This is going to go right on top of our hamburger mixture. And we didn't use all of it. We have a little bit left. And here comes our little fun part. quite use the whole bag of the fries, but we used a good amount. All right, and one of our last dry ingredients is our Parmesan cheese. And we're going to just put this all over the top of our French fries. Then we're going to take a little bit of salt and pepper and put on as well. All right, this is going in the oven once again at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes, or until the top of the fries are really nice, crispy, golden brown. After that, I'm going to show you what we're going to do to top it off and serve it up. It's going to be good, 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 y'all. So stay tuned. Don't leave. All right, y'all. This is our French Fry Cheeseburger French Fry Cheeseburger Casserole. And I hadn't dipped into it yet. But remember, that cheese is right under these French fries. And that's all the soup and stuff that you see that's rose to the top. The cheddar cheese soup and the golden mushroom soup. And then I just made a little bit of toast right there. And look at little tomatoes. I'm going to put pickles on it, ketchup. And I was thinking about having the rest of my beans, but I don't know. We'll see, y'all. We shall see.
Don't hold it back. Just watch me as I go. I'm breaking these chains and releasing all of us. Open the sky. It's in your hands. Remember the secrets, and your soul will mend. We are magical, so magical. Our waiting goal, and we will never